box was on its way, although late. So it did come today, February 1st. So this is the February box. Also, my Paletteful Packs box came same day. It feels really heavy too, so I'm dying to dig into that one, but I said I would do this one first. So let's do this one. I'll probably end up doing 2 videos today just because I want to see what's in that Paletteful Packs. Okay, so it feels very light. That's not a good sign. Oh no, I see sponges. No. Oh, you know what that means. I like the eraser. Well, this isn't too bad. Pastel. Oh. Pastel. Hey, I drew this picture. I painted this picture. I've got this picture on my my wall. Pastels. Sketchbox. Mine looks different, but I'll bring in and I'll show it to you. Well, this is my version of that painting. I did this with that, let's face it, that's the portrait class I'm taking right now, separately, but that's the one I'm doing this year. This is a previous year, and I did this in acrylics. So a little bit different. Maybe I should, oh, I was gonna say, maybe I should try doing it in pastels. I don't know. All right. So I got a makeup blender. I've never had before. I don't wear makeup, so kind of interesting. Oh, that's so soft. So these feel like makeup brushes too, of some kind, or sponges or something. I'm not looking forward to it. Yes, I've had these before, and I get rid of them every time because I don't want them. Okay. Scan for videos and tutorials. Well, maybe I'll do that. So there's a nice bright yellow. Guess we got 3 colors. Pretty, like a purpley pink. And a turquoise. Oh, so that's a nice color. Those are kind of like, not bad, I guess. And then a white. This is Sketchbox Signature pastels. That all looks like makeup. So that might be okay, I guess. Do I sound excited? I don't want to do this. I want to open the Paletteful Packs. And eraser. I thought they usually used kneadable erasers for pastels. And some sponges, which I have. I have some someplace. I didn't get rid of those. I just get rid of these. I'm not sure I want to go... Oh, and this. So this is... and they gave you this paper. So this is... Oh, it's cream colored. Interesting. So we'll do a little test. I don't know how to test this. You're supposed to smudge it? Okay. I have a little container with some stuff in it. So there's some little makeup things. So let's do a yellow. Oh, that's really pretty. I actually like the way this looks more than I like the way the pencil looks. It's really, it's real pretty. And do the blue. But how smudgy is it? Yeah, it's pretty smudgy. And I don't know what to do with the white. This one I can use for white. So yeah, I guess you could like soften it. So yeah, it might not be too bad. So maybe I can draw it out with this. I might try this just as a way to torture myself. So maybe I'll do that. I'll draw that out, try to do what I can with these colors, and we'll see. God, I sound so depressed. Okay. They are pretty. I like the colors. I like this better than, I guess, just, you know, charcoal. Because charcoal, at least this has got some color to it, and that'll perk me up a little bit. I don't know. This feels like kind of, it says pastel charcoal drawing. It feels kind of like, it's thinner, but the surface is textured, so it's kind of like watercolor paper texture. But yeah, it's thin. Should I do it on this paper? Maybe. That's about the same size. All right, I'll give it a try. I'll try to do that portrait on here. Okay, I do not know what I'm doing. I did kind of a rough, I used a pencil just to sketch this out. It's sort of similar. Proportion's probably a bit off, but I watched a video and I'm not really sure still how I'm gonna do it, but I don't have a dark color like that though. This lady has black and I don't have black. I suppose I could, I'm sure I've got a black charcoal pencil around here somewhere. This is my collection of charcoal-y type stuff. Most of them are these Conte pastels, because they're not super soft, and I've used them with other things and I don't mind them as much. But this is charcoal, and I've got a couple of white charcoals. But yeah, mostly it's just sits here unused. So I can either use this or this. Let's see which one is softer. So this one's Conte and this is charcoal. Yeah, I think I like the Conte. I decided to allocate one for each color because I think I'm gonna need some precision. So I'm gonna have to use like the tip and the sides. So I suppose I could have done, maybe I'll do that. So maybe I'll do this for this. So one end will be for purple, one for blue. Okay, we'll do that. All right, and I'm copying as much as I can just because I do not know how to do this. It feels really nice when you put it down. Like this is really silky, you know? And I'm gonna go dark because it doesn't really matter because I have the white that I can go over it with, so. Let's see, I don't know how I'm supposed to get in here. It's so small. Thing is, once I go over, like if I want to put the white over the top of this, the white one's going to be contaminated because it's going to have the color on it too. Well, I will give it a try. Okay. Maybe I'll just calm down a little. And it looks like she must have used like charcoal to do it because you couldn't get the hair to look like that without a pencil, I don't think. Well, I couldn't. Let's just say that much. All right, so let's do a little bit of blue then. I don't know, I'm just putting color because the hair is really colorful, but it's mostly black on top, so maybe I'll do like the whole hair like a rainbow color and then just cover it with black and then the colors will come through. All right, let's put some colors remind me of Harley Quinn. If I left him like this. Oh, not that dark. All right, so that's those two. Now we'll do a little bit of yellow. There's not a lot of yellow. I think a lot of this is going to come down to layering because I see a lot of greens. I guess I can get my details in with the pencil, so let's hope. Put a little bit of blue. All right, let's see how I can destroy this. Yeah, maybe I should try. Should I try this? Maybe I can do. Oh, maybe I should have done that black. All right, let's do. Kind of want to do like a smudge on the bottom just so it spreads the color, but then do like, maybe I'll do more color on top and more texture with the lines on top, just so the space is filled and there's not a lot of white space, you know? I don't know what I'm doing. And some areas are really dark, like this area. I don't know. The perspective looks weird to me, but I don't know. See, smudging. I should put like a napkin down or something. Let's see if we can get some color in there. I don't know. Oh, maybe, yeah, I can do that. Contamination. And she's got the whole background as purple. I suppose I could do that. But I'm going to do that afterwards. So I kind of want to... I don't know, there's a lot of... Just want to soften this a little bit. Okay. Kind of used up all my brushes. So she's got some white there, if I could get it on there. Yeah, maybe I can use a, I will cheat yet again and put some white on with this thing maybe. All right, how's that looking? So should I do the background purple maybe? Use this one up. Oh. Maybe I'll do blue on top of it just because, I don't know. Well, I want to do a little bit here. Back. See these bite marks? You know who did that? I'm getting my fingerprints all over everything. Can't get that white in there. Well, I don't have all the same colors in my Contes as these. I don't have any purple, but I have a pink. Do I have orange? I must have orange. Well, it's not exactly. I like the way she did it. Or it's a she, huh? But this is about as close as I'm gonna get, I think. Maybe I have some yellow too. Maybe add some yellow. Oh, I might have to go over it again. All right, well, I think that's about it. I think that's all I can do. I'm kind of overworking it at this point. Maybe if I can sharpen this. Okay. All right, well, how's that look? Okay. All right, well, I know it looks a little weird to me, but it's the shadow, I think. Maybe if this wasn't so, maybe not so harsh. All right, well, that's it. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. It is very messy though, and it's making me nuts. But yeah, I don't know. I like using the pencils more. I think I just tend to like pencils more because they're a little less, I don't have to touch stuff so much. And they're harder, so yeah. Anyway, I guess that's it for this week. Next week will be the Palettefull packs. And that's it for now. So we'll see. I'll see you next week.